Let's take a look at the 2024 brand new, all redesigned Encore GX. This is the Sport Touring Edition. Very sharp looking. It's all-wheel drive with a 1.3 liter turbo engine. As you can see, it sports the new Buick logo. This particular model is in ebony twilight exterior with a Whisper Beige ebony interior. It has a split folding 60/40 backseat. Comes with lots of technology like a remote start and also power liftgate that you can control from the fob, both up and down. It's also packed with lots of great features like lane change alert and rear cross traffic alert. Come check it out today.